Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch Control Lamborghini Urus full guide. Begin by selecting Corsa mode, enable launch control from the central dial, hold the brake firmly, press the throttle to redline, then release the brake decisively to initiate the controlled launch sequence. Keep steering steady, monitor traction indicators, and avoid abrupt inputs until the car stabilizes and you reach target speed. Practice in a safe area with guidance. Warm and conversational tip time. Manage weight transfer by holding the brake firmly while applying full throttle, then release smoothly for a clean launch. Watch the traction lights and listen for engine load to avoid excessive wheel spin. Small steering corrections are fine, but aggressive inputs ruin traction. Practice short runs to learn behavior, and always use a safe closed area or track with proper supervision to build confidence. If you are enjoying this guide, please hit subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and keeps more content coming. Quick recommendation. I use these leak-proof meal prep containers for long track days and clean fueling. They make life easier and keep snacks tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support and attention. Now let's get back to the video. If launches feel inconsistent, check tire temperature and pressure first, then verify drivetrain settings and electronic aids. Wheel spin often means too much throttle or cold tires, while early intervention from stability systems can cut power unexpectedly. Adjust settings gradually and note each change for repeatability. Consult a professional instructor for advanced refinement, and always prioritize safety equipment and a controlled environment to practice these high-performance maneuvers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.